Hi students, good morning to all. Welcome back to Science on class. This is Bakya ma'am. How are you all? I hope all are fine and studying well. Okay, don't go outside unnecessary. Drink more hot water. Okay, then obey your parents' words. This is very, very important. Okay, dears. In previous class, we had learned the unit 1 measurement. Are you remember? Yes, Allah take your science book. Okay, dears, take page number 1. Take pencil. Okay. In previous class, we had learned the unit 1 measurement. Then physical quantities. What is the measurement? Yes, it is defined as the determination of the size or magnitude of the quantity. That is measurement. Okay. Then what are the classification of physical quantity? Yes, the physical quantity classified two quantities. They are fundamental quantity, then derived quantity. You know the meaning of fundamental and derived quantity. Okay. The next we had learned the units. What purpose we are using the unit? Why we are using the SI units? Okay. What is the expansion of SI? Yes, that is the International System of Units. Okay. How many fundamental units in a SI system? Yes, there are 7 fundamental units in a SI system. Okay. Okay, dears. Today we are going to discuss about the fundamental units: length, mass, time, temperature. Today we are going to discuss about these topics only. Okay, let's move the class. First one, fundamental units. What is fundamental units? Yes, the fundamental unit is cannot be expressed in terms of any other physical quantities. Cannot be expressed in terms of any other physical quantities are called fundamental quantities. That is length, mass, time, temperature. These are fundamental quantities. What is the SI unit of length? Yes, meter. SI unit of length is meter. Okay. Now what is the length? We are going to learn what is length. The length is nothing but extent of something between the 2 points. Having the 2 points, here one point, here one point, something extend between 2 points, that is length. Length is the extent of something between 2 points. ஏதோ ரெண்டு புள்ளிக்கு இடையில வரக்கூடிய extent ஆகுது, ரெண்டு புள்ளிக்கு இடையில ஒரு extent ஆகுது, that is length. Okay, the SI unit of length is meter. Then 1 meter. 1 meter is the distance travelled by light through vacuum in 1 by 29 crore 97 lakh 92,458 second. Nothing but ஒரு மீட்டர் அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு டிஸ்டன்ஸ் ட்ராவல் ஆகுது. ஒரு லைட் வந்து ஒரு டிஸ்டன்ஸில் ட்ராவல் பண்ணுது. எங்கன்னா வேக்கம் மீன்ஸ் வித்தவுட் ஏர், தட் இஸ் வேக்கம். ஓகே, ஒரு வேக்குமில் ஒரு லைட்டு இவ்வளோ செகண்டில் ட்ராவல் ஆகுது, தட் இஸ் 1 மீட்டர். இவ்வளோ செகண்டில் எவ்வளோ தூரம் ட்ராவல் ஆகுதோ அதனுடைய லென்த்து தான் 1 மீட்டர் நம்ம சொல்கிறோம். ஆர் யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? 1 மீட்டர் லென்த் இஸ் மெஷர்ட் பை மீட்டர் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் SI யூனிட் இஸ் meter. So 1 meter is distance travelled by light through vacuum in 1 by 29 crore 97 lakh 92,458 second. இவ்வளோ அதாவது ஒரு செகண்டில் பாதி தான் இது, இவ்வளோ டிவிஷன் போகுது. இந்த செகண்டில் ஒரு லைட்டு வேக்கமில் எவ்வளோ தூரம் ட்ராவல் ஆகுதோ அந்த லென்த்து தான் 1 மீட்டர். ஓகே, ஆர் யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? தட்ஸ் ஆல். Next, in order to measure the very large distance, we use the following units. The small distance means we have to measure the meter, kilometer, that's all. Okay, the very small means meter, large means kilometer. It is a very large means how to calculate the distance. Okay, that is the larger unit, the astronomical unit, light year, parsec. These are, we have to measure the very large distance. Okay, which unit measure the very large distance? There are three units. They are astronomical unit, light year, parsec. Okay, astronomical unit, light year, parsec. These are measure the very large distance. Okay, the first one, astronomical unit. It is the mean distance of the center of the sun from the center of the earth. Here sun, here earth. Okay, the distance between sun and earth is 1 AU. That is astronomical unit. Okay, it is the mean of distance of the center of the sun from the center of the earth. சன்னோடைய சென்டரும் எர்த்தோடைய சென்டருக்கும் இடையில் உள்ள டிஸ்டன்ஸை தான் என்ன சொல்கிறோம், 1 AU astronomical unit. This distance does not measure the any ruler or scales. Okay, so that is the astronomical unit. So 1 AU, that is astronomical unit, is equal to 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. Underline the value. It's very important value. Astronomical unit, it is the mean distance. Mean distance means the average. Okay, the mean distance between the center of the sun from the center of the earth. That is astronomical unit. Okay, next, light year. Next, light year. It is the distance travelled by light in 1 year in vacuum, and it is equal to 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. This is nothing but light year. The one light travelled in 1 year. ஒரு வருஷத்தில் ஒரு லைட்டு ஒரு வேக்கம் வித்தவுட் ஏரில் எவ்வளோ தூரம் ட்ராவல் பண்ணுது அப்படிங்கிறது தான் லைட் இயர். ஓகே, இந்த லைட் இயர் இஸ் distance travelled by light in 1 year in vacuum. Vacuumல 1 yearல எவ்வளோ தூரம் ட்ராவல் பண்ணுது, that is light year. Okay, the value is 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. Okay, next, parsec. Parsec is the unit of distance used to measure the astronomical objects outside the solar system. The light year and astronomical unit is inside the solar system, but parsec is the outside the solar system. We have to measure some objects, astronomical objects, asteroids, meteorites. These objects have to measure the distance, that is parsec. Okay, the 1 parsec is 3.26 light year. This is also very important one word, so underline. 1 parsec is equal to 3.26 light year. The 1 light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. Then astronomical is value is 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. So the astronomical unit, light year, parsec, these are very large distance we have to measure. Okay, astronomical unit, light year, parsec, these are very large units. Okay, the tabulation 1.4 larger units in meter. Okay, kilometer 10 power 3 meter, kilometer 10 power 3 meter. Astronomical unit 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. Light year LY 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. Parsec 3.08 into 10 power 16 meter. Okay, these are very larger units. Okay, the smaller units we have to measure the meter, centimeter, millimeter, kilometer, that's all. The larger unit is 3 larger units. What they are? Astronomical unit, light year, then parsec. Okay. Next, do you know the nearest star Alpha Centauri is about 1.34 parsec from the sun. Okay. ரொம்ப நியரஸ்ட் ஸ்டார்னா ஆல்ஃபா சென்சாரி. ஓகே, அண்டர்லைன் த வேர்ட் ஆல்ஃபா சென்சாரி. 1.34 பார்செக் ஃப்ரம் த சன். சன்லேருந்து அந்த ஸ்டார் வந்து 1.34 பார்செக் டிஸ்டன்ஸில் இருக்குது. தென் மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த ஸ்டார்ஸ் விசிபிள் டு the unaided eye. Unaided eye மீன்ஸ் நார்மலாக நம்ம கண்ணால் பார்க்கக்கூடிய ஸ்டார்ஸ். ஓகே, அன்எய்டட் ஐ, எந்த ஒரு இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட்டும் இல்லாமல் நார்மல் ஐயால் பார்க்கக்கூடிய ஸ்டார்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா, அதனுடைய டிஸ்டன்ஸ் வந்து 500 பார்செக் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் த சன். சன்னுக்கும் அந்த ஸ்டார்ஸ்க்கும் நைட் ஸ்டார்ஸ்க்கும் இடையில் உள்ள டிஸ்டன்ஸ் வந்து 500 பார்செக். Okay, but nearest star is Alpha Centauri. The distance is 1.34 parsec. Okay, next is small units. The larger units is astronomical unit, light year, then parsec. The smaller unit to measure small distances such as distance between two atoms in a molecule, size of the nucleus and wavelength, etc. The small distance means here one atom, the atom present a lot of molecules here, there and there. Okay, how to measure the between the two molecules? That is smaller units. Measuring the between two atoms in a molecule or wavelength, then size of nucleus, radius of nucleus, you have to measure the smaller units. That is, we are submultiples of 10. Submultiples means divided by 10. 1 by 10. Submultiples. Okay. These quantities are measured in angstrom unit. The unit is angstrom unit. Angstrom. Okay. And the larger unit is astronomical unit, AU. Okay. Light year, LY. Parsec, PARSEC. Parsec. These are larger units. The smaller units is angstrom. Okay. Now the smaller unit is Fermi. 10 power minus 15. 10 power minus 15. How to write? 10 by 15. That's why we are telling the submultiples of 10. Okay. Submultiples of 10 means 1 by 10. Okay. The power is 1 by 10 the power of 15. How to write? 1 by 10 the power of 15 plus 15. Okay, the 10 power of 15 come to numerator, so 10 the power of minus 15, the plus come into minus, so minus 15. Okay, then angstrom value is 10 the power of minus 10 meter, nanometer 10 the power of minus 9 meter, micron 10 the power of minus 6 meter. The micron, the symbol is this is, okay, micrometer. Okay, then millimeter, mm 10 the power of minus 3, centimeter 10 the power of minus 2 meter. These and all know the units. 10 the power minus 2, 10 the power minus 6, these are centimeter, millimeter. We don't know the some smaller units, that is Fermi, angstrom, nanometer, micron. These are very important in the smaller units. Okay, are you understand what is the larger unit, what is the smaller unit? The distance between the small distance we have to measure the smaller unit, very large distance we have to measure the larger units. Okay, that's all dears, the smaller units and larger units.